Google yesterday announced updates to its wireless Pixel Buds that will add new gesture features that really should have been included in the launch, such as the ability to manually turn on and off the headset and switch more easily between paired Bluetooth devices. Users can now press the right button 3 times to activate or deactivate the Pixel Buds. Yes, until now, users had no way to turn off Pixel Buds, except to put them back in their impractical case. Unlike the AirPod and other high-end wireless headphones, removing them from your ears does not turn them off either. So, the Triple Touch is an important and very necessary update. Now, users can also choose Pixel Buds from the Bluetooth menu of the previously paired device they want to listen to, and the buds will automatically disconnect from the current device to the new one. These updates are being implemented now and should be available to all owners of Pixel Buds early next week.